guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Dell Vostro laptop battery not charging when plugged in. Now, if you're having problems with your Dell Vostro laptop and the battery is not charging, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here and you need to do in order for you to solve this issue. So, first thing that you could do here is you need to basically do a soft reset. So this is not necessarily a fix, but something you could do just in case. Now, what you need to do here is what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically remove anything that is connected on your laptop. So for example, if you have any USBs, mouse, keyboards, go ahead and just remove that, unplug that from your laptop. And from then on, you might want to press and hold your power button. Now you could try this without plugging your your charger first, and just hold it like for 15 seconds. Now once 15 seconds up, go ahead and press it again and see if that turns on or actually boots up your laptop and actually start charging your laptop. Now also you could try press and holding it again, but this time with the charger plugged in. Now yeah, so in this case, those are the basic things that you could do here, but just in case, there are going to be some advanced steps that you could try. So you could actually check your AC adapter is being recognized in your BIOS. Now, what you need to do is you want to restart your laptop here, and you want to press F2 repeatedly at startup to view your BIOS. Now, you want to look for the AC adapter status here. If it's not recognized, then the battery will not charge. Now, if it's not recognized, you need to use another or Dell OEM adapter. So Dell OEM adapter to see if the issue is with the charger itself. Now, if the problem persists, you need to replace the DC jack. So you can find a replacement somewhere out there. So you can search for yourself. Make sure that you buy it from a reputable source here. And also, if the DC jack replacement doesn't work, the issue may be with the motherboard itself, which in this case all are quite technical. So the best thing I would recommend you try doing here is to just basically contact Dell for this one, and they'll be able to assist you on fixing this. Especially if it's a hardware issue, you won't be able to do much here. But yeah, also another way for you to try resetting it. So again, it's a soft reset that you could try here. Is you want to unplug your laptop here if it's already connected. You want to remove the battery itself, and you want to hold the power button for 30 seconds. Now, in this case, once 30 seconds is up, you can go and just reinsert the battery and plug the charger and see if that works. Now, typically, this just drains the remaining power on your laptop and sometimes reset the connection itself. So hopefully that works. But also, another thing that you need to consider here is your battery age. Now, if you're using your laptop consistently, like you're using like 20 hours or 18 hours a day, you're really using it, then most likely the battery might be faulty or it's now broken. So it's best to replace that, and even just contact Dell here just to get support and get the best parts for it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.